Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are driving to Maypen from Tollgate. So we are going on the new highway that has opened. So there you see the sign, Williamsfield Mandeville, this side, Maypen, Spanish Town. So we are actually, when you enter the highway here, you don't use the toll plaza straight ahead. There's another toll plaza that you use. So that's, if you're staying on the highway, that's the toll plaza you would use. Alright, so we're now getting on the highway. This highway opened about a month ago. Very nice road. From Maypen to Mandeville, 15 minutes. We actually did a video because this, when you get on the highway in Maypen, you can exit in Tollgate and then there are no more exits until the highway ends and goes into the Melrose Hill bypass. So areas like Porus and Clarendon Park, they have taken a beating. They don't have the traffic passing through there like before. So as a result of that, a lot of places have seen a decline in business. However, Juicy in Clarendon Park looks like a ghost town compared to before. You still have a few people, but nothing like before. However, Morris seems to be doing just fine. They have a lot of traffic over there still. Maybe it's because of the type of food they sell. You can get patties anywhere in Jamaica. But Morris sells a different kind of food. Like cooked food, jerk chicken, jerk pork, fish, those kind of things. And Porus has definitely seen a decline in traffic. You guys can check out those videos, they're up. So now we're heading towards the Maypen interchange. And we're actually going to time it to see how long it takes to get from Tollgate to Maypen. Now there was a lot of talk about the fence on this highway. When the highway opened, some of the fence was not up. Now what the contractor or NROC said, I think it's a contractor, that they put in the fence but people stole the barbed wire out of the fence. They stole the wire. But the section of the highway that we are on now, the fence, the barbed wire is in the fence. So the contractor said they were going to put it back in. So it looks like they have done that. And that's to prevent animals and people from walking onto the road. However, this guardrail here that you see on the left will also prevent animals from coming on the road. So I think the fence might have to do with people walking onto the road also. Now it's illegal for people to walk on a toll road in Jamaica and I think in other countries as well. And it's illegal for an animal to come on the toll road. The animal can be taken away and put in a pound. And I think I read once it's illegal to tow cars on the toll road also. If anybody can remember, if you can leave a comment in the section below. But I think the new Traffic Act makes it illegal to tow a car on the road, on the toll road. So we're now approaching the Maypen interchange. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. It takes about 8 minutes to get from Tollgate to Maypen on the highway. Alright guys, have a good day.